Hi, I'm Mary Grace. I'm here at Yoga Oasis, and I've got Ellen here, and she just got back from her doctor with some great results.
Yes, due to the infrared boxes, I was overwhelmed to hear that after working with them for a couple of months or more, my body weight mass went from a 25 to a 22, which means that 25 borderlines overweight, 22 means you're heading in the right direction and no longer borderlining overweight.
I would never have thought you were overweight, but I guess the BMI, they have an idea about,
Exactly.
where you put the weight on your body and how you're metabolizing things.
They
So
measure it in kilograms.
it's pretty wild stuff.
It is wild stuff.
So what she's
and
talking about is these far infrared heaters that we installed here at Yoga Oasis. And these heaters are designed to liquefy more fat cells in your sweat. And all of our students are seeing great results with it, as well as I am, which is amazing because I've been doing this 20 years. And to see results happen quickly in a month, something changed. So come on and join us here at Yoga Oasis with our amazing new FIR infrared sauna heaters, and come sweat with us.
If you're looking for permanent change, come to the Oasis.
Oh yeah, it's a lifestyle. It's definitely a lifestyle. Being healthy, being happy. We all do that here, right here at Yoga Oasis.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.